welcome back. So, the episode begins with the shocking truth from the previous day, still affecting the entire Virani family. Everyone is left stunned after discovering that Tripti is actually Subhash's wife. The revelation creates fresh cracks within the family and emotions run high. Karan is unable to control his anger and decides to distance himself from everyone, refusing to be part of the ongoing drama. Meanwhile, newly married Nakul and Vaishnavi choose not to get involved in the family conflict. Instead, they focus on starting their new life together with hope and positivity. As a new day begins, Tripti meets Subhash and confidently tells him that there is nothing to worry about. She assures him that despite all the tension, Karan will not cancel the important business deal. Her confidence gives Subhash a sense of relief, making him believe that the situation is still under control. But Tripti has completely different intention. Behind her calm behavior, she is secretly planning her next move against the Virani family. While everyone thinks she is trying to solve problems, she is actually preparing a much bigger conspiracy that could shake the family once again. At Shanti Niketan, the atmosphere changes as Vaishnavi performs her Pehli Rasoi, an important tradition that makes her first day as the Virani family's daughter in law. Despite the stress and tension around her, she sincerely prepares a traditional meal and tries to fulfill her responsibility with dedication. Her efforts bring a brief moment of happiness to the household and remind everyone that family traditions and relationships should remain strong even during difficult times. However, the peace doesn't last for long. Tripti's presence continues to create uncertainty within the family. Karan remains upset and emotionally distant, while Subhash blindly trusts Tripti's reassuring words. At the same time, Vaishnavi does her best to bring everyone together, hoping to restore harmony inside the house. By the end of the episode, it becomes clear that the Virani family is heading towards another major confrontation. Tripti's secret plans continue to grow in the background, and no one realizes the danger she is preparing. With hidden agendas, rising tension, and relationship being tested, the upcoming episode promises shocking twist, emotional drama, and new challenge that could change the future of Virani family forever. Thank you for watching. Bye.